Hello friends, welcome back to your channel. First of all, Happy New Year to all my viewers. Today I am going to prepare a redefined Chattipatiri, a traditional food of Malabar. Here I am going to add additional ingredients which will give western taste to this Chattipatiri. So let's get started. Check out the ingredients. First, let's make the batter to prepare the pancake. For this, I am taking 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, adding enough salt into it. Now add 1 egg into it. Now mix it well. You can use fork or a spatula. Now let's add water little by little. The consistency should not be too runny nor too thick. It should be like a dosa batter. So add in water little by little. Now the batter is ready. Let's add in 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder for the flavor. Mix it well and keep it aside. Now let us prepare the filling. For this I am taking cooked shredded chicken, Here I am taking 300 grams of shredded chicken. Now goes in finely sliced onions and finely sliced capsicum. Any color you can choose. Now let's add in 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala. You can also use fajita masala for this. Now adding enough salt into it. Now goes in 3 tablespoons of pizza sauce. You can also use jalapeno and the mushrooms too. Vegetables you can use as per the quantity you are taking. Now give it a good mix and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the egg batter for the coating. Taking 2 eggs in a bowl, add in 2 tablespoons of milk. Now add enough salt into it. Mix it well. Now for the flavor, adding a pinch of white pepper powder. Mix it well and keep it aside. Heat a pan and let's prepare the pancake. Here I am not using any oil for this. Prepare a pancake as normally we are preparing. Close the lid and cook it for 30 to 45 seconds. Then flip it to other side and cook it for 30 seconds more. Approximately it will take 1 to 2 minutes for one pancake. Flip it back and if it is done, get it out. Now continue the same method with the rest of the batter. Now I am going to prepare in this pan. Add a teaspoon of butter. Let it melt. Try to take the pan which the pancakes can fit. Now dip the pancakes in this egg batter and place it in a pan as a first layer. Now spread the masala. Spread it evenly. You can either fill more or less. Now spread the mozzarella cheese. Now sprinkle some oregano. Now the first layer is done. Continue the same way till you finish all the pancakes. Now we are done with the last layer. Pour the remaining egg mix, spreading all around so that it sticks all the sides. Now you can cook as it is, or you can sprinkle some more mozzarella cheese and little bit oregano. Now cover it and cook it in a low to medium flame for about 10 minutes. Now it's done. You can see that the cheese is melted very well. Now flip it to other side and cook it just for 2 more minutes. Be careful while flipping, it's very hot. Apply some butter to the pan before flipping or else the cheese will get burnt. Here you go. Redefined Chattipatiri pizza is ready to serve. Trust me, this is super delicious, must try recipe. You can serve this for parties and also you can pack it for tiffin too. So do try and do put your comments below. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, then please do like, do share and support me by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get instant notification. See you soon with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.